Crikey! I found the big nose monster. It's a Sasquatch. Look at the size of that beak.
And watch this world away. Oh, let the sky be gray. 'Cause if it's ever gonna get any better, it's gotta get worse for today. Morning, where am I this morning? Now it's really
Hey Jay, you remember me telling you? I was like, you're really wearing white shorts today? And yeah.
But I didn't think we were gonna go fucking nature hiking. Yeah, we're gonna hike. We always do this too. We never stick to the trail. We're always adventuring.
This is what our family does. We have to be better than everyone. Someone stacks rocks, we have to stack even more rocks. And ridiculous, isn't it? Look at this, look at this. No, no.
Right. Dude, oh, hold on, this one's flat right here. There you go. Right here.
Jay, you can't be a professional, stacker. Your nose blows all this shit off. Oh, that's 4. 4. 5. Oh shit, oh shit.
This one's mine. Wait, that's where it gets getting out. It's not gonna happen. Dude, we need to get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. Because I got more flat ones that we could build up along the way. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Retarded. We're moving on. Jay, don't breathe. Jay, don't breathe. Stack and roll.
It takes very professional rocks.
I think we just tripled the size of the one that was here. Though.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna stand it.
Jay, let's go. Hold on, I want to.
Oh, dude, you did the whole thing. Just take that one off, dude. Leave the top one off. Alright, that's good. It's gotta get worse for the day. It's gotta get worse for the day. Jay stacked me. Alright, let's go. It's gotta get worse for the day. You're so bad,
I'm so bummed right now, dude. My hands are on my hips. Why are you filming me being upset? I don't like. Get the camera out of my face.
Go ahead.
There's an infamous troll that collects a toll on his path. I think I saw him in here. You can tell by his distinct large nose.
Usually if you throw rocks, they come out of the cave.
Yeah, let's throw rocks in.
Wow.
Dude, you gotta do it like Tom Cruise style, Mission Impossible. Dude.
Yeah, one arm.
Get your right arm.
The dog fit below him.
Oh my god, dude. Again, I've spotted him.
Where?
Crikey.
What is that? It's the big nose Sasquatch.
We need to throw rocks at him.
Go.
Hey, Sasquatch.
Is. There he is again. He's feeding off the water.